Card Tutorial Basic. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀. On the home page, click Choose a Starting Point at the bottom. You can either begin with a blank page or select from the many templates Card provides. These templates are organized into categories such as Profile for personal information, Landing for promoting a product or app, Form, Portfolio to showcase your work, and Sections. For this tutorial, let's select Blank Page and click the Select button. Once you're inside the workspace, you can begin customizing your site by clicking the plus icon at the top right to add elements like text, images, buttons, videos, and more. You can preview your design animations at any time by clicking the play button. To manage different parts of your site, click the hashtag icon, which helps you control sections. The phone icon allows you to switch to mobile view and click again to go back to desktop views. The three-strip menu icon is used to publish your site or reset your project to a blank canvas by selecting Start Over.